Okay, for my last stop, I came to Cancalanog when I had a very refreshing water. And this rock formation and the water that flows There's a bit of good news because they are trying to repair the road so that it will be very convenient for the motorists to come to this place, Cancalanog Waterfalls. Hidden gem in municipality of Alegria, this Waterfalls in situ Cambais, and they have the source. They have a twin waterfalls here. Blistering heat in metropolis, this is a very good escape to lessen the humidity in our body. It's really worth a while coming over here and enjoy the cold water of Cambais Waterfall. Thank you. Hi, good morning. I am here in the municipality of Alegria, known for three famous waterfalls. And this waterfalls right now is Montpellier. It's 4 kilometers from Poblacion, and I trekked around 15 minutes to reach here. Enjoy the view! everything is paradise. Everything here is just divine. When the city of Cebu is experiencing El Nino right now, there is much vast water here, very clear and clean water. Okay, thank you.